Beat the summer heat and dive into the exciting events on this month's activity planner. Registering for classes and events is easy. Just go to edmondparks.com. Say farewell to summer at Pelican Bay's Back to School Splash. Join the after-hours pool party from 7 to 9 p.m. and enjoy free snow cones and live entertainment. If you love music, you must attend concerts in the park. Bring a lawn chair or picnic blanket and listen to live music from various local bands during the last 2 shows this summer. Start your Saturdays with a trip to the farmers market at the Festival Marketplace. Buy local produce and more, or order online. The market is open from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Preschool art allows kids to explore their imagination while making fun crafts with mason jars. Sign up for a guided tour about the public art that makes the city of Edmond beautiful and unique. The tour will begin at the Multi-Activity Center and consist of driving and walking. Become familiar with the trees in Edmond with the Urban Forest Stewardship class. Take part in the Waffle Studio class, where you can enjoy a freshly made waffle while you create a beautiful contemporary plaster painting. When you join the family Bisque and Glaze studio, you can choose from pre-made plates, platters, bowls, and more to customize and decorate to your heart's content. Hit the dirt on the Arcadia Lake trails with Rip and Dip mountain biking. After a 4-mile ride to the Edmond Park Beach, you can hop in the water to cool down before the trek back. Additional information can be found at edmondparks.com. There are even more community events at visitedmondok.com. Follow the city on Facebook, Twitter, Nextdoor, YouTube, and Instagram for up-to-date information about the city of Edmond.